Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming goal of mine where I will be 5 minutes typing or trying to improve, and then I will do TypeScript tutorial. Okay, so let's get into it. Typing I do on a typing IO side, which I really like, and the tutorial, TypeScript, that is somewhere else. So, no. I want this guy, yeah, and open, and it is maybe open recent, open, recent, yep, and I want TypeScript playground in this Windows, yes, please. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I will switch to here, improve your typing, start the time, and let's go. So we are doing Ruby on Rails right now. That's okay. So load false default scope false single value methods each, and oh, I don't like that. V, another one, instance variable set, that guy, that guy, that guy, that guy, that guy, and that guy, V, that. That's sequence. Okay, association methods plus multi-value methods. Okay, each, and then I have this beautiful sequence, instance variable set, and that, oh crap, that v that values. Okay, that's hard. Extensions equal bam create with value bam, and def insert values oh crap, Murray key value now ref primary key hash values primary key values. Oh, come on. Values, keys, find, k that, k dot name, primary key, that if primary key value connection prefetch primary key class table name. Why the class is with K? Array key value connection next sequence value class sequence name, and we have done it in 2 minutes or so. I don't know. 5%. Okay, maybe I should focus more. Values, class RL, table, class primary key value, and I'm RL create insert IM into table con add class connection substitute do values. Come on. Maybe I'm tired, I don't know. By, and here this beautiful ATTR underscore RL ATTR name. Okay, binds substitutes map do RL ATTR value. More and more mistakes. Well, it's practice. Columns hash RL ATTR name value and substitutes each with index do tuple I tuple I will finish it. One con substitute at binds that and if values empty I'm values equals RL SQL connection empty insert statement value. Here we go. And the result is 5% again. Oh, okay. So, we'll close this. Thank you. We'll go here. When I switch to the MD file, I will know where what progress I did. Oh crap. Okay. And now I want to close that guy. I don't need you. And I will next to do is start data types. Data types number. Okay. So we go here. Stop the timer. Start the TypeScript timer. Now let's go. Let's go. 25 minutes. I will end after the midnight. Oh well. So, data types number is the thing, chapter, and I can go here and look at the, okay, so that is in variable. No, that is in number. So I have a new section. Oh, that's cool. So I will insert with my new thing, and I say directory, and this will be 007, and it's data types number. Why you cannot say the same thing as here? Inspect. I will steal your. Oh, before it opens, I would be done already. Typing in data types number. Okay. Data types slash number. And I really need to find out why is my computer so slow. This is really bad. All the fucking spyware on my computer by my company. Fuck that. Data type number. Just like JavaScript, TypeScript supports number data type. All numbers are stored as floating point numbers. These numbers can be decimal, hexadecimal, or octal. So this is number, hexadecimal, or a binary. Oh, wow. Well, there's a binary. You said like can be this, this, and that, and then you show the third. Okay, so first, second, third, bam, bam, bam. So I will create a new one file, and that will be the TypeScript file. So I will create a file with my wonderful new keyboard shortcut. You can be even smaller. And I just lost that one. So type script, and I say number, yeah, like that. And here, yes, add it to Git repository. Thank you very much. Now what I want to do. So there are four ways in which the numbers can be stored, or maybe not stored. What does it mean? Decimal, hexadecimal, octal. Okay. Uh, Entering number in four ways. So first will be decimal, and this will be let decimal be a number, and that is I just assign the value. It will be 1 to 3. Then I will have um, hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. So let hexadecimal, that will be number 2, and I have to say here x at the beginning, so it will be x1a, for example, I think. No, that's not how you do it. So how do you do it? x0x, so 0x1a, that will be 16, I think, or 17, or even more. That is 17 plus more. So 01, I will do 1a. And pum pum pum. That is 16 plus 11, I think. So, or 15 plus 11. 15 plus 11, so that is 20, 26. It could be 26. So then we have a octal. Let octal as well, type of number. Not numbered. That's the second time. Maybe my new favorite letter is T. And how do you do that? Oh, you say O. So 0, O, and we do what? 377. Sure, 377. Because 8 we don't have, right? If I do 8, that should be an error, yep. So we remove that. And then binary. 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 I said it. T is my new favorite letter. Let. And vice versa. This is binary. It is a number as well. Or numbered. Depends on your taste. And how do you write that? You do B. Okay, so it is 0B. And I do 0110, which should be 6, I think. Okay, now I can print it out, right? So I do console.log and something inside of it. I need it 4 times, so I will do so. And the first one will be decimal, Then you'll have a hexadecimal, then octal, and then we will have a binary. Okay, what I want to do now is to compile it and see what the output is on in a JavaScript file. I have a problem in here. Let binary. What is the problem in here? Tell me. Join subsequent variable declarations. I don't know what's your problem. Oh, it's just highlight. It just highlight. It kind of looks pink. So what if I do this? This is red. Okay. Okay, so we have that. And now I want to compile it, right? So I do compile TypeScript. Yes, that's the thing I want. And I go, oh, no. I remember there was a faster way for me to do that. And that will be, okay, so I'm now here. So I will do cd 007, change directory. Oh, I'm there as well. So it will be TypeScript compiler, and I say number. Okay, where I am there, and I'm in variables. Okay, so I do cd dot equal 007 there, and here I do cd 007. I want a bash. I need to install bash here. And here I do TypeScript compiler, and here I say number. Yeah, and that should produce my desired JavaScript file, which I can run here or in a browser or anywhere else. You never run the TypeScript file. Okay, so it have done something. And you can see it here. Well, first of all, I kind of like to include all the files, so I will do that. And then I will split this vertically. On the left side, I will keep the TypeScript file, and this is what it translates to. And I can run the right side. So this will print out, oh, and you see, notice this. The octal is transferred already, the binary as well. The hexadecimal is kept, you see. Maybe because I cannot. Well, that's interesting. That's interesting, don't it? Octal and binary are immediately translated to the decimal. So, well, let's see what this one is. I'll run that. Okay, and it is 26. Okay, hooray. Hooray for me, guys. So, we have those. In the above example, stores positive integer number, blah, blah, blah. Stores hexadecimal as which equivalent to that guy. Okay. They did different one. Okay. Now, number methods. We have two exposition, two fixed, two local string, two precision, two string, and value of. Okay, so now we will do the methods. Okay, so we will do that, and I say console.log, and here I will divide it so it's visible, and I say number methods, and I don't like this song, which is currently playing, so I will skip it. Battery. and it's dead again, and everything will be dead again, and it'll be dead. Oh, so exponential returns the exponential notation in string format. Okay, so I wonder how can I invoke it. So there's a my object to exponential, and then I say something. The exponential method returns blah blah blah. This function takes in one argument, an optional integer specifying the number of digits after this decimal point. It returns the exponential representation of number in string format. So there's like some number, and then I say to exponential, and then I can specify the number of the things, and looks like the default value is what? 5, 5, 5, 5 it is. Okay, and I need some number, and I guess it doesn't matter in which it is specified, right? So let's say decimal, and I will change the value to be slightly bigger if I'm able to do that. And decimal, I will say console.log, and here I will put the decimal dot, and how beautiful the IntelliJ is. Okay, I have that. And then I can try the same thing at the hexadecimal. I can try the same thing on an octal, and I can try the same thing on a binary. And I'm guessing that will be no freaking difference. So, and I want to, okay, so I'm running that, but that's not what I wanted. What I wanted is to compile it again. So let's go. I did not refresh or what? Okay, now it is. Okay, so as you can see, we can run it on any number. That doesn't freaking matter. So we can run it on anything. But then let's say now I will experiment with the parameters, right? So I will use the decimal number I have defined, and I will change the parameter that is given to exponential. So I say console.log just to separate things a little bit. So I'll just leave it like that, and then I will steal you and move you over there, and we will play with it. So this is the default value. Then I will say 1, and then I will say 2, and I will say 3, and I will say 4, and then I will say, oh, damn it, go back, duplicate, and then I will say 5, and let's get, oh yeah, let's go over, let's do more than I have digits, so I do 6, and I want to compile it again. Here we go, and after it ends, I will fire it up. Ah, crap, different one. Okay, run number.js, and look at that. Okay, so it works. The default is with a 5, which is found in here, and if we do more, it will append the zeros. So that's something we have learned. There is a 2 exponential, and you can can get the value in exponential if you want to. There is a toFixed method that returns toFixed notation of a number in string format. And this is, okay, so this one takes toFixed. toFixed accepts no floating point, or like the decimals get rounded. So we will do that. So I'll change this to dot and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9. And I will create another console.log, and we will play in here. This is toFixed, and actually it looks like this. toFixed, yep. And now I will say console.log, and we will say the decimal, which we are using, our favorite number now, and we say toFixed, and we have that. So here will be default value, and then we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. So I will say 1 in here, 2 over there, 3 in here, and this will be 9. And so I need to compile it. So I will do the tricky thing over here. Go and compile it. And I think I don't need this window right now. It's just distracting. And I think I don't even need to. Okay, it looks like it's finished, so I will run it. And here's the result. So toFixed without any parameters will disregard the decimal points, and then the number specifying how many decimal points after the dot you are keeping while displaying the number. Then we have a toLocal string. This will be difficult. So here's something. So I see we need a big number. So because the separators are different, and this looks okay, but I will still make it bigger. So 6 and 7, 8, 9 I will do, and this is console.log, and this method is called toLocal. toLocal. It will do some magic. So we will use our favorite number, decimal, console.log, and here we will say decimal, and yeah, toLocal, like that. Local. This is better. What's the problem? To local string. Oh, it's to local string? Okay, I missed that. String. Okay, and we will do the same thing, I think. So let's do. Oh, yeah, I don't know the local thing, so I will put in these things, and this is our. Okay, so we have that, and we need to compile it, of course. I'll do that, and right after that we will run it, even before the view of the file is compiled. So anytime soon. Come on, come on, come on! I'm looking for prompt. Here we go. Why does it take so long? Even though like it's just one file. So and it's exactly the same. That's not what I expected. So this has dot and comma. This has just that. Okay, that doesn't work. Everything is same. Okay, if I do this, will I get some hint? What about this? Will this work? Ah, I'm just messing around. I will try this and then just move on. I'm not interested in this that much. So, how we are doing? Hmm. It is what it is. I don't know how it works. I'll say Java or TypeScript local. TypeScript local. Yeah, that's what I meant. Set local problem. Here we go. Here might be some. Here might be some examples which would actually work. So that's the same thing. DEDEREG. And we have DEDEREG. Okay, it doesn't work. Let's move on. We have that. And we have toPrecision. toPrecision method returns the string representation in exponential or fixed point to the specified precision. So that's interesting. Okay, so I'll try that. Console.log, and here we will say toPrecision, and we can have a console.log, and we will use our favorite number, and we will leave it like so, and then we have one, two, oh crap, I made a poo-poo, I made a poo-poo. Okay, now it's good. Now it's good, and we will duplicate it a few times and try different parameters. 1, 2, I don't know, 5. And I will compile it and see what it does. And that will be the last thing we will be able to do because we have 10 seconds. Okay, so we'll just do this and then I will go sleep or whatever. Okay, so the first one just leaves it as it is. The second one will, so it either leaves it or does that, but I'm not curious if I do here like big number, if it leaves the number as well. So I'll compile the thing and then I will run it. Is it ready? No, not yet. Go, 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 go. Okay. Yeah. So it only shortens and then do the exponent. So if you do 1, so it's precision and it takes the highest order digit. All right, time to edit our MD file. So I will say close, close all in here, close all in group. Then I will switch to the MD file. And we will say what is next. So we will continue chapter section what? And that is toString, and I will put it like so. Okay, so save it. I do commit as a good citizen should do, and I also in progress, and here this will be data types number chapter. Okay, commit. We'll have a look if it's there or not. I'll have a look in the log. Data types, number, and progress. Yeah, and I will commit. Oh, I create a branch in here and then I merge it. Yeah, sure. Why not? Why not? Okay, so push. And with that, we are 3 minutes over our time limit. So that means we are done. That is better than perfect. And I will see you next time. Bye.